let's start the drafting of shoulder princess cut kurti. We are going to start with the back drafting first. So let's look at the look of the garment. This is the look of shoulder princess cut kurti. You can see you have 3 panels, 1 center panel and 2 side panels are attached to the center panel, and this is the shoulder princess style line, which starts from the mid of the shoulder, over the bust, towards the waist and down the hemline. This is the shoulder princess style line. So for this you need to trace your dress block back. Here we have traced the dress block back. So step 1 is you have to mark mid of shoulder, so which is already marked with a dot here. So this is midpoint of the shoulder. So from here you are joining to the pivotal point at back, which is 2.5 centimeter down from the arm size line. So to this point you are joining a slight curve using your French curve. On the life size paper pattern you can use a hip curve for this. From the end of the dot to the pivotal point, slight curve you are joining like this. Next step, from the end of the waist dot you are drawing a line down till the hemline. You can draw a dotted line or a solid line, right? So this is your shoulder princess style line. Now we will cut and separate center panel and side panel, so that we will show on the drawing by marking scissor symbol like this. So waist dot you have to cut like this. For side panel, this side you will be cutting, and on the style line you are cutting here. And mid shoulder dot, for side panel you will cut this way, and for center panel you will cut this way. Okay, so this is your side panel, right? And for center panel this is a common line that you are going to cut, and for center panel this side of the dot you are cutting like this for center panel, like this. And this is a common line that you will be cutting, and here you will be cutting this side. So this is your center panel. Right? So same thing we will be tracing on a color paper, and on the color paper you will be cutting and separating the center panel and side panel. So let's trace it. So this is the dress block already traced on a color paper. Now we will draw the same style lines that we have already drawn on the drawing. So from the end of the dot, extend the line from the waist dot till the hemline. Now, so one more step what you are doing is you are extending flare here, because we are doing a flared princess cut kurti. So to extend flare, what you are doing, from the side seam mark 5 centimeters. Mark 5 centimeters from the side seam. From here you are joining it to mid of waist to hip. Mark a midpoint. From waist to hip mark a midpoint, then you are joining it. Right? Here shape the hemline. From the hemline mark 2 centimeters. Mark a point, 2 or 2.5 you can take, and shape the hemline using French curve. So on the life size paper pattern you can use a hip curve. Right? Now we will cut and separate the center panel and side panel. Even before you cut and separate, better to write the pattern information, because once you cut and separate you may get confused, right? So write, this is shoulder princess, back, this is center back means center panel, this is size 10, and this you are cutting one piece because there is a unfold here. Now this is again shoulder princess, back, size 10, you are cutting two side panels, cut two pieces. Now let's cut and separate center panel and side panel. First we will cut along the outside line, then we will cut and separate the panels. So cut the outline along the shape. So hemline also we have shaped along that shaped line. Cut and separate. Cut and separate your dress block with flare extension and style line drawn here. From the base dot we have extended. Now I will show you how to cut and separate. Center panel, side panel, common line here, and then base dot towards right side you are cutting for side panel. On the style line you are cutting, and the mid shoulder dot, cut the dot this side, and this one cut like this. That means this part of the shoulder dot, this you are cutting and taking out. Now the center panel. So base dot, cut and take out. Base dot you are cutting and taking out, right? So this is your center panel, this is your side panel. Now we will extend flare from right side of the center panel and left side of the center panel. We are adding more flare, right? So to do that, what you are doing, for flare extension you are supposed to attach extra paper at center panel. You will be attaching a paper down here, and for side panel we will be attaching a paper down. You will be pasting a paper down. This paper you can paste above the hip line. You are pasting the paper. Paste a paper extra like this for both the center panel and side panel. Now for flare extension, mark 3.5 centimeters. Mark 3.5 centimeters. From here, join it to hip line. So just above the hip line also you can mark. Gradually blend it. Right? So now to the side panel also, mark 3.5 centimeter. From here, join it to little above the hip line. Gradually blend the line. Right? Now this you will be cutting along this line. Along this line also you are cutting. Okay, now we will be pasting the center panel and side panel. For that, so draw a line parallel to the dress block that we have traced, just to make sure we are arranging the panels neatly. Draw a line. Now first paste the center panel, so we have pasted the center panel. Now apply glue for the side panel and then paste it by giving a gap. right? So this is your center panel and this is your side panel. Make sure these lines, hip line, waist line and bust line are on the same line, right? So this is your shoulder princess cut kurti back. So let's start the drafting of shoulder princess cut kurti front part. Now we are drafting part, right? So we have shoulder princess style line here, 3 panels, 1 center panel and 2 side panels attached, right? So for that, first you are tracing dress block front. This is your front part of the dress block. So by tracing the dress block, you are doing the princess cut kurti, shoulder princess cut kurti. So for this, step 1 is measure the shoulder using your 1/4 scale, measure shoulder. This is 12 centimeters for a size 10 dress block. So midpoint will be at 6 centimeters. Mark a point at 6 centimeter, mark midpoint. Then this is the apex point or bust point, right? So you are joining from mid of shoulder to the bust point or apex point using the French curve. If it is a life size paper pattern, on the brown sheet you are using a hip curve to draw the shoulder princess style line. This is your shoulder princess style line, right? So next step is, now extend the waist dart till the hemline. Like this. Now you will be separating the center panel and side panel. For that, mark scissor symbols, waist dart. For side center panel you will be cutting towards right side, and for side panel, so this side of the waist dart you are cutting, and here you are cutting. So this bust dart you will be closing in front. You will be closing the bust dart. Here shoulder dart will be opened. Then you will be cutting and separating side panel and center panel. So the same thing we will be tracing on a color paper like this. Here I will show you how to close this dart, how to separate center panel and side panel. This is a trace of dress block on color paper. Now mark the same style line that you have marked on the drawing on the color paper also, and then extend from base to the hemline. Now we are going to close this dart and then we will be cutting and separating the panels. Even before that, what we are going to do, we are extending the flare because we are doing a flared princess cut kurti. So for that, from the side seam mark 5 centimeters. Mark 5 centimeters from the side seam, and from here join it to mid of waist to hip. So from waist to hip mark a midpoint, and then join the point that we have marked for flare extension to this. So after this, shape the hemline by giving a slight curve. So for that, mark 2 centimeters and then gradually join it to the hemline. In life size paper pattern, you can use hip curve for this. Now cut the outside line first. Cut the shaped hemline also like this. Now we will be cutting and separating center panel and side panel. So even before you cut, write the pattern information so that you will not get confused. This is your shoulder princess front size 10, you are cutting one piece. This is center front. This is your side panel. Shoulder princess front size 10 and you are cutting two side panels. Now cut and separate the center panel and side panel like this. Along the common line. Now cut this off. Cut and take out the waist dart. Now separate the side panel. Now close this dart. To close this dart, cut it here till the apex point. Now paste it here. I have applied glue here. Now place this upon this line. Right. So after closing, this is a center panel. Now we'll extend flare for the center panel towards this side and for the side panel towards the right side. For extension of flare, we'll be attaching extra paper. So for flare extension, we'll be attaching a paper here. So I have applied glue here, taken extra paper, paste it down. This is for center panel. Now for side panel also, towards this side, I have applied glue here. Now again take one more extra paper, attach it. Paste it like this. Now you are extending the flare. Take your 1/4 scale, measure 3.5 centimeters. And then join it to above the hip line. You can join wherever you can draw straight line. Right, for side panel also mark 3.5 centimeter. And then join it to above the hip line. You can join it to end of the dart that we have cut also. Right, now cut this along the marked line. So we are done with cutting the paper that we have pasted for flare extension both at center panel and side panel. Now, so if you join these two panels and stitch, you will get the dart shape like this. You will get the room for waist and you will get the room for bust. Now you are pasting the two panels. Draw a line, guideline here. Now paste your center panel and side panel. By giving a gap, paste the side panel also. Right. So this is your shoulder princess cut kurti